3, 2, 1.
Which of these is not an Ed Sheeran album? The answer is B. Which of the following is not a summon in the game South Park, The Stick of Truth? The answer is A. Towelly. George Orwell wrote this book, which is often considered a statement on government oversight. The answer is C. 1984. Which issue of the Sonic the Hedgehog comic did Scourge the Hedgehog make his first appearance? The answer is A. Sonic the Hedgehog #11. In Future Diary, what is the name of Yuno Gasai's phone diary? The answer is D. Yukiteru Diary. Which of these characters in Stranger Things has the power of telekinesis? The answer is B. 11. What bird is born with claws on its wing digits? The answer is B. Hoatzin. What model was the sports car gifted to Yuri Gagarin by the French government in 1965? The answer is B. Matrajet. In the Super Smash Bros. Series, which character was the first one to return to the series after being absent from a previous game? The answer is A. Dr. Mario. Danganronpa Another episode, Ultra Despair Girls, is set after which Danganronpa game? The answer is B. Danganronpa Trigger Happy Hava. Who created RWBY? The answer is A. Monty Alm. In what engine was Titanfall made in? The answer is C. Source engine. Down syndrome is usually caused by an extra copy of which chromosome? The answer is B. 21. Where does the Mac part of the name Fleetwood Mac come from? The answer is B. John McVie. What character was once considered to be the 27th letter of the alphabet? The answer is D. Ampersand. Who was the first man to travel into outer space twice? The answer is A. Gus Grissom. What is not a wind instrument? The answer is A. Viola. How many values can a single byte represent? The answer is A. 256. In Night in the Woods, where does Greg work? The answer is C. Snack Falcon. In 1720, England was in massive debt and became involved in the South Sea Bubble. Who was the main mastermind behind it? The answer is A. John Blunt. From 1940 to 1942, what was the capital in exile of Free France? The answer is D. Brazzaville. Frankenmuth, a U.S. city nicknamed Little Bavaria, is located in what state? The answer is C. Michigan. Kirito and Asuna are main characters from which anime? The answer is A. Sword Art Online. What was the original name of New York City? The answer is C. New Amsterdam. What is the name of the copper-rich protein that creates the blue blood in the Antarctic octopus? The answer is A. Hemocyanin. Computer manufacturer Compaq was acquired for $25 billion in 2002 by which company? The answer is D. Hewlett-Packard. In the Street Fighter franchise, what's Ken's surname? The answer is C. Masters. On the periodic table of elements, what is the symbol for tin? The answer is A. Sn. Which one of these films are shot entirely in one take? The answer is B. Russian Ark. In Avengers: Infinity War, the Reality Stone Aka the Etho was kept under safe possession by who? The answer is C. The Collector. In a certain scientific railgun, how many sisters did Accelerator have to kill to achieve the rumored level 6? The answer is D. 20,000. The F1 season of 1994 is remembered for what tragic event? The answer is D. Death of Ayrton Senna San Marino. In which year was League of Legends released? The answer is C. 2009. Which of these is not an album released by the Beatles? The answer is A. The Wall. Which weapon that was cut from the game Half-Life 2 is going to replace the crowbar? The answer is B. Ice Axe. Which of the following Ivy League universities has its official motto in Hebrew as well as in Latin? The answer is C. Yale University. Where was Napoleon Bonaparte born? The answer is A. Corsica. What nation produces roughly 40% of the world's vanilla? The answer is A. Madagascar. Tetsuya Fujita was a scientist that developed the scale for which natural disaster? The answer is C. Tornadoes. Given that all party members are maxed, who is the fastest party member in Super Mario RPG: Legend of the Seven Stars? The answer is D. Geno. What is the profession of Elon Musk's mom, May Musk? The answer is A. Model. In most traditions, who is the wife of Zeus? The answer is B. Hera. The metric prefix atto makes a measurement how much smaller than the base unit? The answer is D. 1 quintillion. Which of these automotive brands originated in Sweden? The answer is B. Volvo. Which of these Counter-Strike maps is a bomb defuse scenario? The answer is B. Prodigy. Who won the 1998 Daytona 500? The answer is D. Dale Earnhardt. Which of these is a colony of polyps and not a jellyfish? The answer is C. Portuguese man-of-war. Who is Firestorm's rival during the original run of UK Robot Wars? The answer is A. Panic Attack. How many times was Albert Einstein married in his lifetime? The answer is C. Twice. Which character was introduced to the Super Smash Bros. Franchise in Super Smash Bros. Melee?